Sin A,
In sin A, okay, all the ratios will do. All. Then
sec A, and tan A.
all. In
In the
terms of,
terms of cot A.
we will do all the ratios, okay, so that you will understand. This is a very important question, ma, and there is an easy method which I'm going to teach you, okay. No other in the guide and all, if you see, you will not get this method. Only people who know mathematics very well only they will teach this method. That method is very easy. Okay, I'm going to teach you an easiest method where you can, this question will be very easy. If it is come for exam, twist the question also you will able to answer. Okay, let us start. Express all the trigonometrical ratios in terms of Cartier. Answer should be in the terms of Cartier. Okay, answer should be in the terms of Cartier. Like sin A, cos A, except cot A. There are 6 ratios, children. Which are the 6 ratios, Vishnu? Sin A, cos A,
Tan
tan
A,
A,
cot A, cosecant and secant.
cosecant A, secant A. Okay, these are the, you need to write everything in, you need to write all these 5 things in terms of cot A. Answer should be in terms of cot A. For example, tan A is 1 by cot A. That is, we know very well. But how to write everything in terms of cot A? Okay, so what we should do this sum, there is one simplest method. You know what? Consider the simplest method which I'm teaching will not be there in many of the books. So please listen carefully. So if it is a recorded session, please you can go back again and check. Consider cot A is x. Consider cot A is x. Now what is cot A? Cot A is inverse of tan A. That is adjacent by opposite.
Opposite.
Okay. So you draw one right angle triangle, children. You draw one right angle triangle and you draw A is acute angle. Okay. B is 90 degree. C is some another acute angle. In this you see cot A will be x by 1. So adjacent by opposite is x by 1. Which is adjacent to A, you check. Which is adjacent to A? BA. This part is x. Opposite. Which is opposite to A? Which is opposite to A?
CB.
BC. Okay, this is 1. Now this is x and this is 1. What could be the hypotenuse according to Pythagoras theorem? Anybody? What is Pythagoras theorem? You forgot.
Square plus 1.
Square
Square
plus
one.
Square root of. You forgot that. Okay. Now in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Pythagoras theorem. Bhagya. In a right angle triangle, Bhagya left. Syed. Sumita. Birthday baby, you should not ask.
in a rectangle triangle, the sum of the hypotenuse is
Squares
equal.
of the.
The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides.
Very good, Sumita. So the birthday is good for you. You answered correctly. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So x square plus 1. So what is AC, Sumita?
1, ma'am.
A
1
square root of 1
AC.
plus x square. What is
Yes.
AC? This full
Square
thing
root of
binomial.
1 plus x square.
Binomial, okay, don't make it single, okay, you cannot write 1 plus root x square, you cannot write it is binomial, okay, so 1 plus x square should be 1 plus x square only. So now you come back to the ratios. You should now, what happened? Let us come. Now listen, now you should come back to the question. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now come back to sin A. What is sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse. Which is opposite to this? Just now we found it. What is hypotenuse?
1 plus cot square A.
Should I leave it like, if you leave it like this, many teachers will not understand. Please write down the final answer. What is x? Substitute what is x. Don't leave it in x. What is x value you should write. Otherwise, you won't get any mark, because this is a new method where very few teachers will use this method. Not everyone. Very few teachers will use this method. Okay. So x you use. Don't stop it in x. What you will do x? X is equal to cot x divided by square root of 1 plus cot square x. You should stop like this only. You understand? So cos A we have written in terms of cot A. Cos A we have written in terms of cot A. Now sine is over.
Cot square A, ma'am. Not X.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. See, correct. You should not put x, they get confused. Correct. Now, sine over, cos over. Now, tan. Tell me tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is what in the diagram? Opposite is 1. Opposite is 1. Adjacent is?
X.
So, what is the answer? Final answer? 1 by cot A. Cot A. See, we know already tan A is 1 by cot A. See how it has come, the answer. Okay. You can recheck with this tan A. Whether you are doing it correctly or not, you can check it in mathematics. That is a beauty of algebra. That is the beauty of algebra. This is all algebra. Okay. Algebra is not a gobra which makes us gabra. Algebra is the easiest thing, which is very nice. We'll enjoy things once we learn properly. Because we know whether our answer is right or wrong. Sine is over, cos is over, tan is over. Next is secant. Secant A. Secant A is hypotenuse by
Adjacent.
adjacent, because it is opposite to cos. That's why. Now, hypotenuse is square root of 1 plus. Algebra is a? Now, adjacent. What is adjacent? See the diagram. What is adjacent? Adjacent is x. So, you put x. Now, what is my final answer? Square root of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. You should write like this and stop. Should write like this and stop. Okay. Secant A over. Now last is cosecant. Cosecant A. So what you will do for cosecant A? Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. So hypotenuse is 1 plus x square. Opposite is 1. So 1 if you write, you don't write same answer. So square root of 1 plus cot square A will come. So cosecant A is square root of 1 plus cot square A. Very simple, no? It's a very simple method. See second sum. I'll do one more sum so that you can do the other sum. Read the second sum, Sumita.
Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in the terms of secant A.
In terms of secant A, that is only important, right? All trigonometrical ratio in terms of secant A.
Secant A.
In terms of secant A. Super. See, that easy question. See. So how will I start? I will start consider. Consider secant A is x. Now, secant is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Correct, no? So the answer is x. So draw a triangle first. Right angle triangle you draw. Okay, A you draw. B, A, B, C. Now, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is x. Hypotenuse is x. Adjacent is 1. Now, what is this? Who is going to say? Anirudh.
Square root of
2x square minus 1.
Very good. Anirudh, if I ask, Abhishek is answering. Am I right? Am I right? Did I identify the correct voice? Very good. Thank you. I could identify your voice means I know you. Good. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, right? According to Pythagoras theorem, what happened? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So x square is equal to, this is, we don't know. So put AB only. This is 1. So AB square is nothing but x square minus 1. So AB is equal to square root of x square minus 1. So this answer will become square root of x square minus 1. Okay. X square minus 1, I put up plus 1. X square minus 1. X square minus 1. Okay, children? X square minus 1. Now, now what is your problem? Now we'll start with the question. Write all the trigonometrical ratio in terms of secant A. First start with sin A. Who's going to say sin A? Sin A is nothing but, what is sin A? Sin A is nothing but
Opposite by
opposite by hypotenuse. Which is opposite to A? This is A. This is opposite to A. Square root of x square minus 1 divided by x. So I should not leave it in terms of x. I want in terms of secant. I want in terms of secant, not x. So what will I write? Square root of secant square A
minus 1
divided by
secant A.
secant A.
Very good. So put it properly, the square root. Don't put it till here. It is wrong. See, don't do conceptual error, okay? Square root should come till the last. Some children will stop here only, as though square root is not there for minus, it will look. Okay, then it will go wrong. So don't do that mistake. Next, cos A. Now, cos A. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. Which is adjacent in the diagram?
1
1.
1 by
1 by
which
x.
is hypotenuse x. So cos is nothing but 1 by secant A. We already know cos is nothing but 1 by secant A. See, we got it. We are checking it. See, we are in the right path or wrong path. We know to check. It is like a conscious. Algebra is like a conscious. We can check. We can select. There are good and bad things in front of us. We can select. Like that, we know whether we are going in the correct path or we are going in the wrong path. See, we easily check. Secant A is 1 by cos A. 1 by secant A is cos A. Sin is over, cos is over. Next is tan. Tan is opposite by
adjacent.
adjacent. Which is opposite to our diagram. Our diagram opposite is square root of x square minus 1. In our diagram, adjacent is
1
our
x
adjacent is 1. So what is answer?
Secant A
Square
minus
root of
secant square
A minus 1.
1
Okay. So tan A is equal to square root of secant square A minus 1. So sin cos tan over. Next is cosecant. What is cosecant A? What is cosecant A?
hypotenuse by
Hypotenuse by
Opposite.
hypotenuse by
Very
opposite.
good. Hypotenuse by
Opposite.
Opposite.
opposite. Very good. Super. So hypotenuse. In our diagram, which is hypotenuse? X.
X.
In our diagram, which is opposite?
Root x square minus
X
1.
square minus
root x square minus 1
So we already took what is x, you should write out. Okay, secant A divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. Super. So we got the answer. So sin over, cos over, tan over, cosecant is over. Next is secant is already done. Then cot. We are doing everything in terms of secant. So we no need to write. Secant A is equal to secant A. We need not write. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Cot. Cot is adjacent by opposite. Very good. Which is adjacent? So this will come opposite to this 1 by.
1
1
by
by
root
root
1 by
Okay, 1 by square root of secant square A minus 1. So that will come reciprocal of this. We can write reciprocal of this also. Okay, over. Reciprocal of tan is cot. So that also we can write. So is it easy? The method is easy?
yes, ma'am.
yes,
So
ma'am.
very easy method. If you go to see in the guide or something, this will become very tough and it will go to 2 pages to prove. 2 pages to prove. Okay. So this is half a page. We can prove it, and with the correct answer, nicely we can do. This method is very short and sweet method. Don't ever teach to people. We get the marks. Correction people are no PUC. All MSc people only will come for correcting. Okay, don't worry. They'll correct nicely and they will see only answer. There only in the scheme of valuation, it will be written. Any other related method, you can give marks, it will be written. But this time, because of COVID correction, some teachers are sitting separately and correcting. No, they got scared. Anything they will get caught. No, so they did not give lenient marks. They have given all tough, very strict correction they made and they given marks. Okay, next year it will not be like that. By the 6 months, everything will be all right. Okay, for you, everything
Ma'am, for us, strict correction should not be there, ma'am.
easy. Because of COVID-19, what happened? We will get a good correction. They should not correct. Actually, they should not keep government exam only. School exam they should keep. Correct? No. School exam means I will only correct and give marks. We'll see. They may cancel. The school. That is why 10th standard iralla. Nave mark kodbeku, na full mark kodbittivi.
Nice, ma'am.
No, you have to learn and then only I can give. Okay. If you don't learn, I can't give. So learn conscious. I have to go according to conscious. You learn nicely, work hard. Definitely you will get nice marks. That too full marks in mathematics. I want many 100 on 100 I'm expecting. Okay. So please work hard for that. Now what is our homework? Same thing only. Now we did secant. We did first one. What we did, ma? Right, in terms of
Cot.
cot. Okay. Now first question. Write all trigonometrical ratio. Write all trigonometrical ratio in terms of sin A. In terms of sin A. Second, write all trigonometrical ratio in terms of cos. We did already, right? Tan. Cos we did. First sum is what? First sum is cot. Okay.
First one is
Cot
cot,
A
ma'am.
we did,
Okay,
ma'am.
cot A only we did. So we can do
Then do
cos
cos,
A.
ma'am.
Cot
Cos
and
A.
secant, ma'am.
Third, write all trigonometrical ratio in terms of tan. Then fourth one, write all trigonometrical ratio in terms of cosecant. Cosecant. Enough, for sums. Or
Yes,
fifth
ma'am.
sum. Fifth sum, if you want, you can try. Fifth sum, if you want, you can try. Cosecant, secant, we finished secant. We finished, which we did not do. Sine, we did cos, tan, cosecant.
Everything, ma'am. We are doing now.
So 4 only will come. No, there is no fifth sum. Okay. There is no fifth sum. But practice the first 2 sums properly. Okay. Textbook sum. Okay. Practice and then write. You can see the record session and practice one time. Those 2 sums also. Totally 6 things you should learn. Okay. These 4 are homework and these 2 are classwork. Okay, children. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Use SMS. What is SMS?
Sanitize, what is mask, social distance.
Social distance. Okay, good. Sanitize, social distance,
Mask.
social distance, mask use when you go out. Don't go only unnecessarily. Okay.